Hey everyone, this is Coach Dave and just wanted to shoot this quick video and give you 3 simple tips on how you can eat clean without spending a ton of time and a ton of money doing it, okay? So the first tip is, I'm sure you've heard the saying, if you fail to plan, you're planning to fail. So the first tip is you need to plan, okay? Now I know a lot of times, especially if you're a beginner, people get overwhelmed to think about planning for the entire week. I know most people don't know what they're gonna eat an hour before it's time to eat. So here's the deal. If you're a beginner, start simple, okay? Plan for at least maybe half the week, and then as you get closer into that second half of the week, plan for the last half of the week. Now here are 2 things to consider. Also, make sure when you're planning, plan the time that you're gonna have a free meal or a cheat meal, and plan for those times that you might be going to a restaurant. Let's say it's Friday or Saturday night. Something like when with my family, we go every Friday, Saturday night out to eat. So plan those meals ahead of time, okay? That way you don't go into the day not knowing exactly what you're going to eat. And if you're a beginner, plan short term. Don't think of it long term and stress yourself out. The second tip is to smart shop, okay? Now, if you have an iPhone and you don't need to do it, you can do it old school too, but write down what you're going to need, okay? The simplest thing to do is to just use your iPhone. You can use Siri or you can use Alexa and just say, hey, Alexa, I need to add such and such to my list. Keep a list so that when you go shopping, you don't end up getting a ton of things that you actually don't need, all right? Now, the other thing is when you're shopping, make sure you plan to buy in bulk. For example, with my meal prep, I know that I'm gonna use chicken as my protein source for several meals throughout the day. So I'll buy anywhere from 5 to 6 chicken breasts. And so then I'll cook those up and I'll use those for later. So buy in bulk, that way you can use those additional items for future meals and that'll save you money. Now the third and the final tip is once you have all that stuff prepped up, all your meals done, what are you gonna do with it? Are you gonna freeze it? Are you gonna store it? Okay? There are certain food items that can last longer in the refrigerator than others, and then there's others that you're gonna need to freeze. And there's also certain times that they'll stay good by freezing them. So think about how are you gonna store them, refrigerator or freezer? That way you can have those meals to go, ready to go when you need them, okay? Now, I know that's, short and simple. I've put together a guide, a meal prep guide that goes into more detail, okay? It's gonna give you a little bit more detail. It's also gonna give you some ready-to-go meals that you can make and that you can prep and have them throughout the week. Plus, it gives you a calendar to set you up to plan for those meals that I talked about. So all you have to do to get it, it's free, created for you, is just click the link below this video, okay? So depending on what you're watching, whether it's Facebook or YouTube, click the link below and it'll take you and you can download your free meal prep guide, all right? I hope that helps. If you have any questions, you need any assistance at all, don't hesitate to reach out to me, PM me. I'm here to help assist you. And with that, I'm gonna go ahead and sign off. This is Coach Dave.